How to fix unable to connect to Word Minecraft Xbox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix the unable to connect to Word error in Minecraft on Xbox. If you're trying to play with your friends and keep getting blocked, this guide will help you get back to the game. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Go to Settings, General, Network Settings on your Xbox. Choose Test Network Connection and make sure everything is working. Also, test your net type. It should say open for a smooth multiplayer. If it's not open, try restarting router. Step 2. Sign out and back in. Sometimes, just signing out and back into your Xbox account can refresh the connection. Go to your profile, sign out, then sign back in and relaunch Minecraft. Step 3. Make sure Minecraft is up to date. Press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, then Manage Minecraft. Check for the updates. Both you and your friend need to be on the same version of the game. Step 4. Adjust privacy in online settings. Go to account xbox.com settings. Under privacy in online safety, make sure you allow. You can play with people outside Xbox Live. You can enjoy multiplayer games. Step 5. Try joining via invite. If you're trying to join through the friends list and it's not working, ask your friend to send you a direct invite instead. That often solves the issue. Step 6. Restart everything. Restart Minecraft, restart your Xbox, and even restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. A clean reboot can sometimes fix hidden connections issues. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to fix unable to connect to Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next time.